Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that awesome hymn, What a Friend We Have in Jesus, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 17 twice. Breathe in through 20. Blow into 17. Blow into 15. Blow into 13 twice. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 11. Blow into 13. Blow into 15. Blow into 13. Blow into 17. Blow into 15. And breathe in through 16. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 14. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 16 3 times. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 15. And blow into 17. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 20 twice. Blow into 17. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15. And breathe in through 16. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. Now remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.